Hi everyone, I'm Peggy Kay, and today I wanted to go over the small changes that are happening to Google Calendar with the shutdown of Consumer Google Plus on April 2nd. If you have not used Google Plus and you have not attended Google Plus events and you're not using Google Plus circles, then these changes don't apply to you, so you don't have to worry about this. There are two changes happening. The first is that Google Plus events will be removed from your Google Calendar. And secondly, birthdays of people in your Google Plus circles will no longer display. Google Plus events were integrated with Google Calendar, so that if you indicated you were attending a Google Plus event, that would automatically be added as a Google Calendar event. And that had a nice format, a cover image, and a link back to the event on Google Plus. Now that Consumer Google Plus is shutting down, those Google Plus event entries will be removed from your Google Calendar. Looking at my own Google Plus event calendar entries, it looks like they've been converted into regular Google Calendar events, and they no longer have the nice formatting or the link back to Google Plus. It sounds like those will eventually disappear. But if they don't, you can remove those entries from your Google Calendar by clicking the calendar entry and then clicking the garbage can icon to delete it. The other change is that Google Calendar used to give you the option of displaying the birthdays of people in your Google Plus circles along with the birthdays of people in your Google contacts. Now that option has been removed and you can only display birthdays and other dates from people in your Google contacts. One thing I suggest you do is to make sure that the people that are important to you are in your Google contacts. People in your Google Plus circles may be listed under other contacts in Google Contacts, and you can choose to move those entries into your main Google Contacts. However, some of the information displayed there is being retrieved from the user's Google profile, and it's not clear if that information will still be available after April 2nd. So what can you do? Make sure that the people who are important to you are in your Google contacts with their Google account email address. You may have to ask them to share that information with you. Note that if you use Google Takeout to download your circles, that does not include their contact information, birth date, or any other detailed information. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.